everybody. Here at Now You're Cooking in downtown Bath, Maine, we have everything you need to make homemade pizza. Starting with things to cut your pizza with, we have these great skizzas, which you slide underneath your pizza and cut. It helps so that you're not pulling the cheese apart and making a big mess with that. We also have my personal favorite. This guy just cuts beautifully straight through your nice crispy crust, gives you a nice clean cut every time. This is Epicurean wood fiber, wood composite, and then a beautiful stainless steel really sharp blade. And then we also have our traditional round cutters. This one is a beautiful one from Rosley, German made, really beautiful piece. $25.99, but worth every penny, and that will last your lifetime. And then we have a couple of sizes from Good Grips, of course. OXO are one of our favorite brands. So that's how you cut your pizza. For pizza stones, we really like the Emile Henri. This is made from a burgundy clay. The round one here, this is the 12-inch, also comes in a 14-inch. Comes in red or black, and it's got these ridges which are great for helping to make a really nice crispy crust underneath your crust. These go in the oven, turn on the heat so it comes up to heat with your oven. The same with this one here. These can also go on the grill. They're the only ones we have, I believe, that can go on the grill on those high heats. And these are gorgeous because you make your pizza right on it, and then you just take it out, put it on your table, and serve it right from this beautiful serving dish. We also do have traditional pizza stones, which are the compressed stone. Again, these go right into your oven. Turn the oven off. Turn the oven on. So these come up to temp with the oven. I usually just leave mine right in the oven all the time. That way I know it's going to be in there when I turn my oven on. The one thing with these is you do not want to immerse them in water, and you don't want to use soap on them. If you have some burned on cheese or anything, we have these great brushes and you can just scrub it off with this and then put it back in the oven. For pizza peels, a lot of people like to make their pizza right on the peel. This is a 10 by 10 square. Again, from Epicurean. These guys are 14 by 14 plus with a handle. The beauty of these is when you take your pizza out, you can cut right on this. It's very knife friendly, and it's got the mitered bottom, so it'll slip right underneath your pizza. So what I usually do is I just put some fine cornmeal on there, make my pizza right on it, and then slide it onto my pizza stone. Occasionally, if my dough is really wet, I just use a separate spatula to just kind of nudge it into place. But these guys are great for making homemade pizzas. If you prefer pans, we've got pans. We have the perforated pan, this one from Chicago Metallic. These air holes help to make it crisp on the bottom. Same with the screen that we have here. We have more traditional pizza pans. This is a non-stick ceramic coating from OXO. Beautiful pan. And then this is your stainless steel. Made in America. What else have we got? We've got deep dish stoneware pizza pan. We've got a perforated non-stick pizza pan. And then we've got a nice big one, another one from Nordic Ware, which will give you a really nice big Chicago style pizza. So let us know if you have any questions, any pizza needs. Don't forget that we have a pizza demo on our Facebook video so that you can go see. You can also see that video and get the recipe on our website, and you can see the video on our YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me. Let us know if you need anything for your pizza making. 207-443-1402. Thanks.